I decree and declare that this week shall be your week of supernatural fruitfulness. What has not been working before will begin to work this week. Everything that have refused to yield result despite all effort, it will begin to yield result for you in the name of Jesus. I pray that this week, God will surprise you. This week, your labor shall yield abundance. Little effort, much gain this week. Little effort, much gain this week. No one under the sound of my voice will struggle for anything this week. God will cause the rain of heaven to fall upon your life, and the earth to yield of his increase unto you in the name of Jesus. In everything you lay your hand upon this week, you shall prosper in it. And no one will experience any form of setback. Evil will not come near you. You will not fall victim of any kind of accident in the name of Jesus. All of your journeys this week is declared blessed. Go in peace. Return back to Zion with your testimony. In Jesus' mighty name, it is done.